Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Caitlin. I'm a licensed hairdresser in the state of Georgia, and this is my client Lauren. So it's been about a year since we did her last balayage. She has a absolutely gorgeous natural base. It's like a level 8, like neutral warm, super pretty and perfect to blend highlights in. So we just want to brighten her up a lot and give her some money pieces for spring. They aren't shining quite as bright. So I'm starting in the back as always, and I'm doing a lot of 2-pointers and fully saturating the ends because I just really want to brighten it up overall and then also give that ribbony effect. And as you can tell, I'm leaving a little bit of space out in between the 2-pointers. I don't want one point from either section to connect and make like one huge chunky highlight, if that makes sense. So right around the face, I'm bringing the point a little bit higher up, and then I'm also making it a little bit thicker right around the hairline just to give more of a money piece. So this is where she parts her hair right here, so I'm definitely making that front ribbon a little bit thicker for that money piece and just continuing that process. So this is the processing finished look. So then she processed for about 15 minutes with no heat and about 10 minutes with heat. So you guys can see all of this negative space left out where her natural is, and that's so important because you want to maintain her natural dimension. So now I'm root smudging her with 8N 8GI by Redken Shades EQ all over, just tapping it a little bit less around the face and on the back of her money pieces. I'm only taking it down like literally a centimeter, and then I'm going down about half an inch through the rest of her sides and about an inch through the back just to give that really nice natural halo gradient effect. Although she lifted really beautifully, I'm still toning her with Redken Shades EQ 10GI, 10VV, and 9P just to keep her bright and maintain a little bit of warmth, but also to cut any yellow tones in the hair. So I just finished blow drying her with my Dyson Professional Supersonic hairdryer, and now I'm beach waving her with my Ionic extra long barrel 1-inch curling iron. So I'm just curling all the way from the face around the front and the sides, and then leaving about an inch, inch and a half out and smoothing that down straight, and then in the back I'm alternating the curls. So this is the finished look, and we are obsessed. She just has the best hair. I love her hair. It lifts so nicely. It's so smooth and soft. I love that we can see the ribbons and the money pieces, and I love how much the balayage brightened it up. And it still has a perfect blend straight, which is when you know that you have a good balayage. If you guys like this tutorial, please make sure to like and comment down below and send this video to a friend who you think this color would look amazing on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.